So we are now going to check if a customer PO has already been used on an order outstanding or has been an invoice in an order. So how we do that is if we go to sales, standard sales orders, and we click open, and here we're going to open the Spyglass. So it's going to load all our sales history, so it might take a few minutes. Just wait for that to load. So once that's loaded, then we can maximize the screen. And in here under customer order reference, again, we hit this little icon and we'll hit contains, and we'll put in the purchase order that we are wanting to find out about. So say we put in 15166. So we can see that that customer, AR100, has ordered these parts on that purchase order. Now it hasn't been invoiced yet because these numbers are blank, and it also hasn't got an invoice number or an invoice date, but we can know that the order has been placed under this purchase order. If the goods had been invoiced, they would be invoiced with a quantity, invoice number and an invoice date. Okay.